How's it going, guys? It's Richard from ASUS Australia. I'm here today to share with you about our latest gaming monitor, the ROG Swift PG27VQ. This monitor is the first AuraSync monitor that enables you to synchronize the lighting effects with the rest of your system. The PG27VQ is based on an 1800R panel curvature, ensuring that every point on the display is equal distance from your eyes. As a result, we have a fast 165Hz 1 millisecond display without the limited viewing angle. It's also equipped with NVIDIA's award-winning ultra-low motion blur and G-Sync for the crisp, tear-free, high-speed motion gaming, delivering a comfortable viewing experience that's great for gaming as well as productivity work. The TEV certified ultra-low blue light and flicker-free backlight eye care design helps you to protect your eyes of the gamers, keeping your vision sharp after a long game. If you are serious about immersive gaming, you cannot afford to miss out its incredible narrow frameless bezels and a fully adjustable stand, which is designed to suit your gaming environment. When it comes to in-game viewing experiences, the PG27VQ will not disappoint. Last but not least, all of our ASUS monitors come with 3 years perfect pixel warranty, meaning if you come across any dead pixels, simply give us a call and we'll fix you right up. That's it for now, and we'll see you next time.